This week's feast:
holiday wreath cookies from the Feast of Fiction Cookbook. Happy holidays, everyone! Today we are making a beautiful festive holiday cookie
that we have adapted from one of your favorite recipes from the best cookbook of 2020, the Feast of Fiction Kitchen.
That's right, let's get baking. Happy holidays, everyone. Let's get baking. In a medium-sized bowl, add flour, salt, and rosemary, and whisk them together. In the bowl of a stand mixer, add the sugar, blood orange juice, and lemon zest, and blood orange zest, and whisk thoroughly until combined. Add the butter and beat until the ingredients are all well combined. Add vanilla extract, and begin adding the dry ingredients bit by bit and mix until everything is combined. Then let the dough chill in the fridge. Drop the dough onto a sheet of parchment paper after it's been chilled. Flatten it a bit and place another sheet of parchment over it. Roll out the dough to about a ½ inch thick. Stick it in the fridge for a bit so it's chilled and easier to work with. Now we're ready to bring out the cookie cutters. We're doing a simple and elegant holiday wreath, so first cut out the large circles, then using a smaller circle cutter, cut a hole in the center of each cookie. We found a circle cutter with a scalloped edge, but feel free to use a mug or a small bowl in the place of a cookie cutter. No need to spend extra money if you don't have to. For the frosting, add powdered sugar to a medium-sized bowl and carve out a little bowl in the center for the liquid ingredients. Then add the milk and vanilla extract and keep stirring until an icing forms. The icing should be the consistency of a simple syrup, not too thick, so add some milk if needed. Then add the blood orange zest and stir until well distributed. To garnish the wreath, we're dipping rosemary sprigs into water and then coating them with sugar. Let sugar dry completely for at least an hour. Once the cookies have baked and cool, dip the top of the cookie straight into the bowl of icing. Let the excess icing drizzle off and then place them on a parchment-lined wire rack to set. Finally, add rosemary and dried cranberry to top off the festive look. And voila! A holiday cookie that really is incredibly tasty. We record these voiceovers long after we film the videos, and let me tell you, every single person that I could give this cookie to had amazing things to say about it. And it's in large part due to the fact that we're using a recipe from the Feast of Fiction Cookbook, and it's been tested so many times that we just know this recipe is perfect. So what are you waiting for? This is amazing to make all year around because these flavors are just delicious. We hope you're able to bake these over the holiday break, and we hope you stay safe as well. So let's see past Jimmy and Ashley dig right in. Wow.
Da, da, da.
Ashley, you have truly outdone yourself. These are great.
Wow, I'm so glad that you like them, but the true testament is the taste.
Ding. Correct.
Cheers.
Wow.
That's
Wow. That frosting?
That's really good.
With the shaving? Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Wow.
We definitely elevated this recipe.
Not to mention the little rosemary sprig that makes it look like an actual wreath. What a wonderful, beautiful, cute little addition. These are elevated, these are elegant, and beyond simple to make.
In case you guys aren't familiar with the recipe, it's basically a rosemary and blood orange shortbread that we turn into direwolves, right? Which lends to the delicious vanilla blood orange icing that we've made with the garnish of a sugared rosemary.
Yeah.
That looks like snow.
It looks like snow, and the little cranberry here because green and red, obviously the colors of the holidays. Wow,
So
this
cute.
is such a great recipe. I love the Feast of Fiction Cookbook because this isn't the only recipe that you can do this to. We have cookie recipes in here, we have shortbread, we've got all sorts of different things that you can take, and let's say you don't want to do the exact thing that's in the book, well guess what? You have an amazing cookie recipe right in front of you, just make the cookie. Add in some different ingredients, make it your own. It's an amazing base, and this cookbook is the gift that keeps on giving.
It really is, and it's inspiring us even today on this show. At the end of 2020, that's what, 8 months after this cookbook came out, we're still finding really fun and cool ways to elevate the recipes in this cookbook. And that's really what cooking and the journey of cooking is all about. And that's what it's been about for us for the last 9 years.
9 years, that's right.
This is our 9-year anniversary here in December. December 22nd actually was the very first episode premiere of Feast of Fiction in 2011. So,
you know, I remember sitting in my living room, editing it, and just sort of like putting it together and not knowing what kind of journey that it was going to take us on from there. And I will say, it's really kind of amazing to think back upon all of the different recipes we've done. We've gone to different sets, we've filmed in different places around the world, we've done all sorts of recipes, and all because you in the comments have kept requesting and asking us to make the things that are precious and dear to you.
So thank you guys, as always, for being our ultimate inspiration for this channel. And hopefully, over the last 9 years, we have inspired you guys to get in your kitchen and do more cooking.
Yeah.
Cook the things you love. Cook the things you see on TV. Cook the things you see us make.
Yeah.
And hopefully, that's what we have inspired you guys to do for the last 9 years. So.
And you know, a really great way to show that, I don't know, that maybe you appreciate us is buying our cookbook. It was a really tough year to release a cookbook in because we couldn't go on a book tour. We couldn't do all the things that we wanted to really publicize and let people know that this awesome creation is here. But there are 55 recipes in here. They're all so beautiful and elegant and elevated, and they're from your favorite TV shows, movies, video games, and more. It's everything that we do on the channel, but in book form. So It's a great gift for yourself, for a friend, for a family member, anything that you want.
There's so many different universes of fiction in here that surely as somebody you know would love something out of this cookbook, and it would be nostalgic for them, you know?
Not to
and
mention,
that's why we did it.
It's so easy to purchase. You can just go to feastoffiction.com. You'll see a list of websites, online retailers, or you can call up a local bookstore and support them during this difficult time.
Yep.
And wow.
Like Edward Scissorhands, is that nostalgic for anyone else but me?
I like it as well.
Oh my gosh, it's so good, right?
Yeah, we also have stuff from Dazed and Confused, and they're all the way up to, of course, Food Wars. So we're really spanning the breadth, and we're showcasing, you know, what makes this channel special to us. Making stuff from the shows and stuff that we love, bringing it to life, and more importantly, bringing it to you all as well.
So your comments mean everything to us, basically.
And as you can see, we're still getting a lot of use out of this cookbook, and we know you will too. You can support us and let us know that you want to be in the Feast fam by just purchasing the cookbook. And man, I've seen so many awesome pictures from the people that have gotten it, that made the recipes. It's really awesome to see everyone else take it and also make something that looks great, right?
Yeah.
It's not like these recipes are so out of reach that you can't do them. No, we made these so that they are accessible and practical,
efficient. Or, you know, you could come say hi to us on Patreon. We have a Patreon.
Yes.
In case you guys didn't know, we're on the Discord chatting all the time with the ultimate mega feast fam.
Yes, they're the best.
So if you guys want to join us over there, you can, and we just appreciate all the support, all the interaction, all the comments, all the concerns, all the purchases of the cookbook, everything that you guys have done for the past 9 years to support this channel and to help it grow. So thank you guys again so much for that. 2020 is thankfully almost over, but we couldn't go out without acknowledging that we have been at this for 9 years now. So 9 years we have been bringing you guys the goods, and we couldn't be happier or more excited to continue doing it.
And of course, if you do one thing today, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because we got lots more videos coming up in 2021. Thank you all for staying safe this holiday season. I hope that if you are traveling, you're taking all the precautions necessary so that we can hopefully get out behind this pandemic and return to our normal lives and see our friends again, cook feast for them as well, and hopefully we can continue bringing you some of that joy even if that doesn't happen.
Yeah. So thank you guys all again. As always, leave a comment below. Let us know what you want to see us make next.
And have a happy new year, Merry Christmas,
you in
everything.
2021.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.